Hello children. In this video, I'm going to explain questions from exercise 3.2, question number 3. Find the zeros of the polynomial by using the graph and justify your answer. So draw the graphs of the given polynomial and find the zeros and justify the answer. So in this case, I have taken the third and fourth, fifth sums I'm going to solve in this. So first one, we need to take, let y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. As I said, if we have a 5 ordered pairs, the graph curve looks good. So we will take x values here, y values, and ordered pair we will mention in this row. For that, first we need to do the rough work. Okay. So I suggest you to take 2 negative values along with the 0 and 2 positive values. Okay. So I'm taking here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So at least 5 values should be drawn. So first, if x is equal to minus 1, then what is y value? Let's find out. Put minus 1 in the place of x plus 5. See, in place of x, I kept a minus 1. I substituted. Minus 1 whole square is a 1. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So if x is equal to minus 1, y value is 10. So minus 1 comma 10. Next put 0 instead of x. So 0 square minus 4 times of 0 plus 5. 0 into something is 0. 0 square is also 0. So your answer is simply 5. So 5. So ordered pair is 0 comma 5. 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. Okay. Next, y is equal to, put 1 in place of x. 1 square minus 4 times of 1 plus 5. So 1 square is 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4 gives 2. So 2. 1 comma 2. Next, put x value as a 2. 2 square is a 4. Minus 4 times of 2 is 8 plus 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Positives add, children. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 8 gives 1. So 2 comma 1. Next put 3 in place of x. 3 square is 9 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 5. Okay. 5 plus 9. 14. 14 minus 12 is 2. So you get 2 here. So 3 comma 2. Let's plot all these ordered pairs on the graph. See. So this is origin. First ordered pair minus 1 comma 10. Minus 1 on x-axis, 10 on y-axis. It is somewhere around here which is not seen. So I'll pick up a different color so that it will be visible. So here 10. Next, 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. This is the ordered pair. Next, 1 comma 2. 1 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis. Next, 2 comma 1. 2 on x-axis, 1 comma 1 on y-axis. 3 comma 2. 3 on x-axis and 3 comma 2, right? So 3 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. So now let's draw a smooth curve by joining all the points. Okay, little bit. One more time, I'll try. Yes. So if you extend, you may get like this, okay? So now, is it touching x-axis at any point? No. See, the curve is not touching x-axis at any point, right? So what do we can write here? our observation is by plotting the above points on the graph sheet, it is representing a parabola, right? The parabola never meets x-axis. That only we will write. The parabola never meets x-axis. So, and we need to find out, justify your answer means verification. Whether we have done correct or not, verification. Okay. See, take this polynomial, x square minus 4x plus 5. By splitting the middle term method, could you write out this and find the factors? See, when you take the two factors, the multiplication should be 5 and the addition or subtraction should be negative 4. So for 5, we know the factors are 1 and 5 only. From 5 minus 1 gives 4. But I want a negative 4 means here you need to put a minus. But when I multiply, I need to get a plus 5 here. So which is impossible. I can't bring out the factors here. Okay, by splitting the middle term method. So what can I do? I can do that delta formula. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is the formula. Okay. So delta is equal to here. B square means this is a none. Here nothing is there means a1. B is minus 4. C is 5. So b square minus 4ac means b square is minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 1. C is 5. So 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4, 5 is 20. So we are getting here the value is minus 4, which is less than 0. Minus 4 is less than 0. So delta is less than 0. The polynomial has no zeros. The polynomial has no real zeros. If delta value is less than 0, it has no real zeros. No real zeros. So finally, I can conclude that the polynomial doesn't have any real zeros. Okay, now that's the reason it is not touching the x-axis. This is how we can do the graph question. Going to the next bit. X square plus 3x minus 4, fourth bit. Same procedure. Let y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Rough work we will do here. This is x, y, x comma y is the ordered pair. So this is a monic quadratic polynomial. What will become the zeros of the polynomial? 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 2 adding 3 you won't get. So 1 4 is a 4. 4 minus 1 if you do, you will get a 3, right? So actually the factors are x minus x plus 4, x plus 4 and x minus 1. Because 4 minus 1 gives 3. 4 into 1 gives minus 4. Okay. So the roots will be minus 4 and plus 1. Roots will be what? Roots means zeros. Zeros will be opposite sign you need to take, children. See, when you know the factors, if you equalize the factors to the 0, you can find out x value is a minus 4. Even x minus 1 equal to 0 means x value is a 1. So we can understand the zeros of this polynomial are minus 4 and plus 1. So that's the reason to show it. I am taking minus 4, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So let's do it in the rough work. When I put a minus 4 value, so minus 4 whole square plus 3 into minus 4, minus 4. 4 square is, minus 4 whole square is, 4 4 is 16, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 3 4 is 12, minus 4. So 16 like symbols can be added and same sign follows minus 16, which is equal to 0. So the y is 0, minus 4 comma 0. If you put minus 2, what do we get? Minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6 and minus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 minus 10 gives a 6. 4 actually if you do like this also, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, minus 6 is the answer. So minus 6. So minus 2 comma minus 6 is the answer. Next, if we put a 0, 0 square is 0, 3 into 0 is 0 and minus 4 will be left. So 0 comma minus 4. If we put a 1, 1 square is 1 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0 again. So we get here 0. So 1 comma 0. If we put a 2, 2 square is 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Answer is plus 6. So 2 comma 6. Let's put all these ordered pairs on the graph. Minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis. Let's take a different color. Yes. Next. Minus 2 comma minus 6, minus 2 on x-axis, minus 6 on y-axis. 6 means this quadrant, third quadrant, okay? 0 comma minus 4, 0 on x-axis, minus 4 on y-axis. Next, 1 comma 0, 1 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis. 2 comma 6, 2 on x-axis, 6 is on y-axis. Let's try to draw a smooth curve by joining all these points. Yes. So, what are the zeros we got? This curve is touching the x-axis at two different points. One is minus 4 and 1. See, minus 4 and 1. So, observation by plotting the graph, by plotting the above points on the graph, it represents a parabola. It is a parabola. It is a parabola. Next, the parabola cuts x-axis. It cuts x-axis. It cuts x-axis at minus 4 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. Let's do verification. Verification. For doing verification, take the given polynomial and put equal to 0. By splitting the middle term method, I already discussed. So you can take what are the factors we discussed? Here already I discussed the factors x plus 4 and x minus 1 we can directly write. X plus 4 and x minus 1 equal to 0. So if x plus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. If x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore, what is your observation? Therefore, minus 4 comma 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of, what is the polynomial? Polynomial. Zeros of the given polynomial. Let's see the last question. Fifth bit. X square minus 1. Let y is equal to x square minus 1. This is a rough work. X, y, x comma y. So, first, we will take x square minus 1. That means x square minus 1 equal to 0 means x square is equal to 1. Square root of 1 is 1 only, plus or minus 1. So, plus 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. So we'll definitely make sure of having +1 and -1. Remaining any other values we can take. I will take -2, +2. Enough. So now if we put -2 in the place of x, what is a y? -2 whole square is 2 square is a 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3. If we put -1 whole square is a 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. -1, 0. You can estimate. Few polynomials are very easy. Without solving also we can estimate what are their zeros. We can find out their zeros, right? So next, put a 0. 0 square is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. So 0 comma -1. Put 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 comma 0. Put 2. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 comma 3. This is so simple. So I didn't use much rough space. Okay. So let's plot out the graph for these 5 ordered pairs. -2 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. -2 and 3. Next, -1 on x-axis, 0. 0 comma -1. 0 here and -1 is here. 1 comma 0. 1 is here and 0 is here. 2 comma 3. 2 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. So let's draw. So we got a parabola. It is a parabola, right? Which shape it is? Parabola. The curve touches the x-axis at two different points. One is -1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. Let's do the verification. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X square is equal to 1. So a square, when you got transposed, it is square root of 1. Square root of 1 value is plus or minus 1. So one is a +1 and another one is -1. Therefore, -1 comma +1 are zeros of polynomial x square minus 1. Okay. One more last question in this exercise. The question is, check whether -1 and 1/4 are zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So they have a given zeros also, given zeros. What? -1 and 1/4. So check whether they are zeros or not. For checking whether they are zeros or not, what we have to do, we need to find out p of -1, right? And also p of 1/4. So let's find out p of -1. P of -1. 4 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 minus 1. 1 square is 1. 4 plus into minus 3. 1 is 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore -1 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of p of x. Let's find out p of 1/4. P of 1/4. So if we put 1/4 whole square plus 3 into 1/4 minus 1. So 1/4 is 1/16. 4 4 is 16 plus 3/4 minus 1. 4 4s are 16. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. They have a like fractions. I mean, they are like fractions having same denominator. So you can add numerators. 3 plus 1 is a 4. 4 by 4 minus 1. 4 by 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 by, therefore, 1 by 4 is 0 of p of x. So they both are zeros of the polynomial. Children, you can even text me whatever the question you have a doubt. I will post definitely. And I will try to simplify your doubts in a easy way. Keep watching my channel for more number of questions. Thank you.